Hi, Meyer. And hello, welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of February, we're learning all about Denmark. Come along with us. So this week we're going to be learning a children's classic song known as Mester Jakob, which in English is Brother John. So let's turn those listening ears on and hear how this goes. Mester Jakob, sauer du, hørte du ei klokken, bim bam bum. Great! Now let's break that down and learn it together. This song has 4 different lines to it, but each line is repeated in the song. So we're going to learn it with call and response. I'm going to sing a line and then I want you to repeat it back to me, okay? All right. Mester Jakob, sauer du, hørte du ei klokken, bim bam bum, Good. Should we try that again? All right, I'll lead, you follow. Ready? Mester Jakob, sauer du, hørte du ei klokken, bim bam bum. Great. All right, should we try singing it together? All right, so we'll sing every line together. Ready? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Mester Jakob, sauer du, hørte du ei klokken, bim bam bum. How'd you do? Great job, everyone. Now let's sing it a little bit faster, and this time we're going to repeat the whole song twice through. All right? Are you ready? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Mester Jakob, sauer du, hørte du ei klokken, bim bam bum. Mester Jakob, sauer du, hørte du ei klokken, bim bam bum. Great job, everyone! Well done! Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Farvel.